Now that's most of the hard work done. At this point we just need to put the drawing together. So whenever we see a measurement of say 40, we simply take this distance here and use our compass and draw away. That's all we need to do. It pays to make sure your compass is nice and sharp. So if I look at my compass here, so you have a decent enough point on that. That'll make my life much easier. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to come out 60, which is the full width. I'm going to draw the total outside box to help me contain things. And there we go. Just put that down there. It's a little marker. And we're going to get 131 as well, because that's the total length. Okay. Now that I have those two marks, I will just begin to draw like an outer envelope, so I know this is where everything is going to fit into. It'll help me kind of know where I'm going later on. Total height on this is 47, so 35 plus 12, and actually I don't have 47 in, so we'll just go back and add it in now. There we go. That was 47. And now this is where the top corner is going to be. So from there I can begin to actually piece together the rest of the outer envelope. Comes across here. Let's double check that. Yep. Come up here. Okay, so now I know my entire drawing is going to fit inside that little box there. So we can start pretty much wherever we want. I'm going to start it up in the top corner. Right up here, we're going to get that face, then we're going to get this face, move on to the slanted surfaces, and then finally we'll deal with all the curvy bits. So first of all, let's see can we get this face put in here. It's going to be somewhere up here. So what I need to do is I need to find out how far across we come. If you look at the drawing, you'll see it's 10. So we'll bring ourselves right down to 10 millimeters. There we go. And that's our 10 millimeter line. Okay, we can start to get some of our final lines in. Along the bottom, we're going to come across quite a bit. If we add these all up, we're going to get to 81. So we're going to come across by 81. You can do this on your calculator if needs be. And have a quick look at the drawing. 10, 23, 15, 23, and 10 right to that corner. It's going to be 81. That's us there. There we go. Now let's find the next top flat surface, which is here. Okay, again, I'm going to work from the simpler surfaces through to the more complex curves. So that guy, I need to come across by 71. Again, if you add up the numbers, you'll see where it comes from. There we go. And from that point, I'm going to come across another 20. There we are. Now I need to come across 10 on this. So what I'm going to do is give myself a little construction line across. Get my 10mm measurement, then we can fill it in. Okay, so next I'm going to try and get this flat surface here. Now I can see from the drawing that that's the surface along there. We've come down 12mm from this one, and then we've a cut-off point here, another 20mm across. So there's my little construction line. I'm going to come down 12 from here and see can I find this corner, then we'll track across and get the rest of them. There we are, 12. Okay. There's another corner for me. Yeah, so we'll come across. In this one I'm going to come across 20. So I've measured for that all lined up. There's 20. Come in, we need to come across here by 10. Then we come out by another 30. Okay, so now I'm going to finish up some of this drawing. Okay, and there's my second surface. Now, I know from here and here, these go diagonally down. You can see it's this surface here, which is this line here. So all we need to do is locate these 2 points in the end, and we can get that surface. Well, they come across by 10 and 30. So we'll set ourselves up for 10. And for 30. There we are. Now it's no particular angle, so I don't need the t-square. We're going to come down from here. Now the next angles from there and there, actually they follow these two. So we'll just come across, get our t-square out of the way. So from here, there we go. Bring the t-square back, we can come across this edge, find out where that corner is. Then we can complete this piece. There we are. Now in here I'm going to have a little curve. Let's come back to that one. At this point we're going to have a half pipe, going to come down a bit and have another half pipe. So I'm going to do a little bit of tidying up. I'm going to bring this guy down. So in order to do my curve, I'm going to need to find the inside of it. So I'm going to come back along here, and that there, I'm going to go back to it and have a little look at our drawing. I've come in along this line, and I've come in along here to find the base of the curve. And there we have it. Now we're ready to begin to draw our curves.